Hello dear students, welcome to our online English school. Today the topic of our lesson is home, my bedroom. Let's start with new vocabulary.
Living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, toilet, hall, stairs, corridor, lift.
Now, let's practice topical vocabulary related to house. Please pay attention to the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Living room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, toilet, hall, corridor, stairs, lift, elevator. Please pay attention to last word. In British English, we say lift. In American English, we use elevator. So, two variants are right, and you may use the both. Now, let's make some examples with new vocabulary. For example, in my house, there are 3 rooms: living room, bedroom, dining room. My living room is big and bright. Our family loves spending time together in the living room. My bedroom is not small and very cozy. My family has dinner together in the dining room. Now, let's learn how to describe room.
Listen and watch.
What's your new flat like, Alex?
It's great. It's on the 4th floor. I love my new bedroom.
Oh, that's good. What colour is it?
It's green, but there are lots of pictures on the walls. Do you want to see it?
Sure.
So, this is my new bedroom. What do you think?
It's smaller than your old bedroom.
Yes, it is, but it's got a balcony. Let's go outside. I can see the river from here.
Oh, yes. Wow. That's amazing.
My room's got a new armchair and a new desk.
Is the bookcase new too?
No, that's from my old house.
Is there a television? I can't see one.
Here it is. Oh, I've got a new bed too. Come and look.
That's great, Alex. But where can I sleep? On the carpet?
No, look.
Now, let's repeat the vocabulary that was used in the description of Alex's bedroom. Balcony, armchair, desk, bookcase, television or TV, bed, carpet. Let's make some sentences with this vocabulary. There is a blue armchair in Alex's bedroom. The desk is located in the right corner of the room. There are many books in the bookcase. You will listen again to the description of Alex's bedroom.
Listen and put the pictures in order.
An armchair and a new desk.
Is the bookcase new too?
No, that's from my old house.
Is there a television? I can't see one.
Here it is. Oh, I've got a new bed too. Come and look.
That's great, Alex. But where can I sleep? On the carpet?
No, look.
Very good. Let's practice more listening exercises.
Listen and match.
There's a bed, an armchair, a cupboard, and a bookcase. There are lots of pictures on the walls.
So, the boy talks about the things that are located in his bedroom. The question should be, what is in your bedroom? Let's see. Very good. Next.
The walls are green and the carpet's brown.
So, he's talking about the color of his things in the room. Let's check. Very good.
Yes, there is. It's in the cupboard.
So, we may understand that this question is about television. Is there a television in your room? Very good. Next.
It's small, but it's nice.
The question should be, what is your bedroom like? And last.
It's on the 4th floor. It's between my mum's bedroom and the bathroom.
Here, the boy is talking about the location of his room. So the question should be, where is your bedroom? Let's check. Very good. Let's continue.
Listen and match.
First,
No, there isn't. We watch TV in the living room.
so the question is about where is TV? And the girl is saying that they watch TV in the living room. Next,
It's big and it's got a balcony. I love it.
so the girl is describing her bedroom. And the question should be, what is your bedroom like? Next,
One wall is white and the other walls are blue. The door is purple.
again, she is describing the colors in her room. And the question should be, what color is it?
There are 2 beds. One is for my sister and one is for me. My room's got a table and there are 2 chairs. There's a tall cupboard too.
So the boy is saying about the things that are in his room. And the question should be, what is in your bedroom?
It's on the top floor of the house. It's next to the bathroom.
And here he is talking about where his bedroom is located. Let's check. Very good. Let's continue practicing new vocabulary related to the description of bedroom.
You are Alex. Answer the questions about your bedroom.
So there are 4 questions and 4 variants of answers. Be careful, please. The answers are, it is small, but it is nice. Yes, there is. It is in the cupboard. There is a bed, an armchair, a cupboard, and a bookcase. There are lots of pictures on the walls. The walls are green and the carpet is brown. So, question 1. What is your bedroom like? Very good. It is small, but it is nice. Next question. What color is it? Very good. The walls are green and the carpet is brown. Next question. What is in your bedroom? Excellent. There is a bed, an armchair, a cupboard, and a bookcase. There are lots of pictures on the walls. And last question. Is there a television in your room? Very good. Yes, there is. It is in the cupboard. Very good job. Now let's reflect on the words that you have learned today. Today at the lesson, you learned topical vocabulary related to house. You learned different names of rooms. And you learned things that are located in the bedroom. Very good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.